but I had to pick up the trailer and the pull saw and a chainsaw and batteries and hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres out here. Had to come out today. It's those Canadian wildfires, those Canucks, you can't count on them for anything. No, I kid, I have friends up in Canada. But need to mow really bad. I'm not going to be able to do it today. I'm not going to work out in this today. Hopefully in a couple days, we're not supposed to have any rain. I can sneak out here during the week and get all this mowing caught up. But I had to pick up the trailer and the pull saw and a chainsaw and batteries, and got a couple of projects at home that I have to do. So it's not always all about St. Bernard Acres. I got some trees that are like desperately in the way and they've got to go. I figured I'd take the trailer in, cut off what I need to cut off on those trees. I mean, I'm not taking the trees out, but just pruning them all back, if you will. And load all that into the trailer, bring it out here, and go all the way around the other side of the property and dump that off into my wildlife refuge. But that's all that's out here. Now, as an update, real quick, next week, all of the plumbing is going in. I'm going to be out here at hopefully Friday It depends on when the plumber can show up, but all the drain lines are going to be hooked up to the septic, and I'll start running all the water lines. I'm going to go get a tote of water, fill these things up with water, and start working on this enclosure and get the plumbing set up. So hopefully, weather holding out and my friend holding out, we'll be able to get this done. But I just want to say hi. Didn't do a live stream last night. Didn't get to do a video all week. I'm doing another video while I'm out here that's going to explain all the changes I'm going through. So be sure and watch that video, just so you know what's going on with this channel and with me. But I hope everybody has a good week, and I will be talking to you next week a whole lot more, I hope. Peace out, everybody.